Hi, I'm Monkster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing a block-off kit, which I've got right here, into this 2000 Yamaha PW50. I took out the old oil pump, and the old oil pump, the gear was missing. Let me show that to you quick. Here's the old pump with the missing gear. It was leaking oil out past the pump, so I'm just replacing installing the block-off kit. Kit came with instructions. Oh, good, you can see them. Came with the plug, some screws, and a little plug for the carburetor. Let's get started. Okay, according to the instructions, the plug will go down in like this with this notch towards the left-hand side of the bike. That will up the O-ring, and I'm going to hope that it slides right in there. Here we go. I'm going to get my two bolts. Install a little bit of this Loctite 243 on the bolts. I'm going to put them in just to make sure it doesn't work its way loose. There's an 8mm. Trying to snug these up by hand. There's one. There's the other one. I do not have a torque spec for these. I'm going to see if I can get my torque wrench in there. Set both of these to 4 foot-pounds. Check this one. Yep, 4 foot-pounds each. Right here is where the oil injector line would go. I'd already removed that. I'm going to install this little rubber plug. Like that. And the hose. See this? This is a hose that went down to the injector pump before. I'm going to pull that out. There's the hose. Out of the tank out of the front. That's no longer in there. Down in underneath there. I'm going to have to get up underneath here too and remove that other line. Got 2 bolts down here. Hold this on. So you can see I got the 2 bolts tightened in here, or finger tight. And then there's another bolt that goes back here. Let's see if I can, excuse me, I'm going to see if I can find a lock washer for this bolt, because there was not one on there. I did find a lock washer. I'm going to slide that in there. This bolt here is a 13mm, so I want to put the lock washer on. That's good and tight. Now I got to pull this cable up through. I'm going to go and cut the cable off right here next to the box or the line, next to the other one. And hopefully that doesn't cause any problems. It sounds like it's going back the whole way. This is a 4mm Allen. Make sure it's up in there. Tighten her down. I don't think that was the correct screw, but that's the one that was in it. So I can get it started. Seems okay. Start position. Fuel on. Slide her up a little bit. choke. Okay, it seems to run pretty good. I'm gonna have to clear the smoke out of here. Putting the seat assembly back on. Then this piece goes in up underneath. This piece. I would say it probably goes that way. I think that's 10 millimeter. Get a 10 millimeter socket, short extension. It's good and tight. Okay, this piece slides into a hanger that's right up underneath here. And then you can put this on there. And this piece of the one. It's got a groove here, a hole here that slides up into here. It's like there we go. That should do it. And it's got to clean up all this other stuff. Well, that'll do it for installing the oil pump block-off kit on this 2000 Yamaha PW50. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And stay safe.